And ladies and gentlemen, once again, you are all very welcome for this Ryanair flight FR794 operated by Malta Air to Venice. Venice.
What's the Italia? I'll turn down for you, I'll go holiday.
No.
That will fit on 1 terabyte.
Nearly 3-ish by now. We just checked in and we get changed our clothes as it is really hot. And we are heading to Venice to have proper meal because we haven't eaten anything. We was in the rush to go to the gate, and we bought the coffee in the plane, and that's it. That's what we had since 5 o'clock today. 1 coffee. It's crazy. We are so stubborn. What are you doing, James?
Just find the Ponte della Libertà, the Liberty Bridge.
First day in Venice.
Now, we just had pizza, just had beer, Aperol spritz. Can you add? No, we're just taking a little wander. What I like about Venice is a lot of free stuff. The shops they want to give us free
fucking
alcohol,
love free stuff,
free
don't you?
chocolate. Love free stuff.
Jamie love free stuff. Jamie love free stuff. Jamie love free stuff. Basically, this is my problem. So if I go somewhere, I want to enjoy myself. But
Japanese sushi bar.
oh. But I want to send to my mom as well. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know what to do sometimes.
It's important to get the balance right. You don't want to totally be on your camera the whole time, and then you don't really remember it. But you don't want to not take any pictures.
One thing I find in Italy, these people love owning.
Yeah, they do.
I don't know why. Should we? I think. Okay. They love owning.
Can you see my eyes? Can you see my eyes?
Not really.
A little bit. So we were on the bus, and I was probably staring at the dude opposite me.
Why?
I don't know.
Have you decided what you're gonna have?
Not quite. Have you, baby girl?
No, this is the menu. This is a beverage, yeah? Have you decided what you're gonna drink?
No, I haven't yet.
I don't think it's not that great. It looks great, but
It's cheap, right?
should we order 3?
3
Yeah.
drinks.
Yeah, I don't know people all order or they just drink or something. I don't think they're not really eating the food.
Most people are just drinking, aren't they?
Huh?
Most people are drinking.
I don't think they're not really eating food, are they?
I want it.
So you decided what you're gonna have or not? Yeah. But can we order 2 pizza and 1 spaghetti?
Yeah. Wait, what? That's too much for you.
What is this? Is it pizza?
Yeah.
Is it menu as well? What the fuck?
Same.
Okay. Why? Do you think it's too much?
Yeah, our pizza's probably enough for me. Yummy.
Is it yummy?
Lunch will be nice. Yeah, no worries.
Sorry.
They painted the CCTV. I'm not in it, baby girl.
Do you think do we need to get a menu?
Oh, I thought they'd come to us, but I'm starting to give up now. Next time they come out, I'll grab them. Okay.
So we're here now, somewhere. Bruno. Nice, this gin.
Really good.
This one, really yummy. I don't know what's called this one. You like it?
This is a beautiful Antoniano. In Lidl, there's a beer called Angelo Moretti. Okay. Now I thought that was just a rip-off of Beer Moretti. I thought it was a classic Lidl fake brand of Beer Moretti. Turns out, right? Came here yesterday. I saw Angelo Moretti. It's a real beer company. It's not a rip-off. And I was like, whoa, it's actually a real beer company. So you know what I did? I bought that beer and I drank it.
Where we are now.
Well, we're in Venice, right? I'm not sure which part because it all looks the same. But we're definitely in the main part.
Definitely?
100%.
100%? You sure?
100%. We're in the main part of Venice.
자, 지금 저희는 we just off the Venice. Not Venice, is it right? Is it Venice? Is it Venice, isn't it?
Yeah, we're still in Venice. Yeah, we're on the mainland.
Oh
now.
my goodness, and my makeup and everything just like
Sweaty.
melting because
It's sweat.
really hot and there's no wagon. We find out Italian people so stingy with aircon. Like bus everywhere, restaurant, shopping center, like literally everywhere. It's like too hot. Like don't want to select this country off. Yeah, with Italian people. But that's a fact, you know what I mean? Let's say that's a fact. Very stingy with aircon. Jamie is struggling right now. But
I'm alright. I could do with changing my shirt, to be fair. It's a bit wet. I've been sweating since before we left the hotel. We've been out like, what, 8 hours?
day commence.
Let the day commence.
Let the day commence. We are going to see the breakfast. What's the breakfast like? It's €7. Is it €7 each person? Right? Well, we just want to see before we paid because we don't know what would they got. Probably bacon. Well, probably bacon. They should have bacon, don't they? Yeah. But they should have bacon, right?
Hopefully. That's what I'm on. They're sort of...
Croissant, ham, cheese. Juice.
Yeah, orange, multi, pineapple.
What?
She does own a shop. In Venice.
Yeah.
Venezia.
Instagram?
Yeah.
Oh, so much better.
Let's just drive a little while, okay?
Okay.
Let me learn to drive before you
Okay.
play any music. There's nothing inside, is there? But just have a look in.
Babe, what have you done?
Huh?
What did you just do?
Nothing. I was changing that gear and trying to steer. It's just strange. It's
Right.
right hand side.
Right.
We drive on the right, 50 miles an hour, okay?
Okay. Yeah. So basically, earlier on the ferry, we just met one guy. He come from Wales?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He lives in London.
Yeah, live in London and Wales, yeah. Like we had such a chit chat and stuff, and he's asked where we going tomorrow, and then we said we're Dolomite, and we have rented a car, and then he was like,
in 500 meters at the
oh my
roundabout,
god, he
take
really
the
wants to
second
go to
exit.
Dolomite, but it's a bit expensive. It's out of the budget to rent the car himself, and then he want us to drop it off, and then he said he will really want to pay or some money and stuff and blah blah. Venice.
You are?
This is the last day of our Venice. We just been to a Chinese restaurant. They beat me. I mean, anyway. So we just where's the boss?
Huh?
Where's the boss?
Should be here 1 minute.
Okay, so gin and tea.
Yeah.
So we are on the way to our car. We just checked out and now we're heading to Dolomite.
We can go there as well. We can go there.
See the ways of this world, they're the best that you can ever.
And I'm being filmed, look at that. And yeah, heading up there.
There's all that wood they cut down.
So to be a sharp pointer, I don't think there's a word for roasting.
What?
Yeah, no, you can get stuff like
We're here. I don't know what this lake's called.
So beautiful, isn't it?
Lake. Feels like Switzerland, but it's not. It's northern Italy. About 2 hours drive from Venice.
So we are in the Dolomite right now. I don't know where we are, but we stopped somewhere. Temperature drop. Temperature is 13 degrees right now. So cold, but we're okay. So we are stopped to take a picture.
This is me happy. You know, like you can wear that, but you can put a jumper on.
This isn't too bad. There's no wind here.
They just discussed like I don't know about our outfit. But I'm so cold that I got a Russian head.
5-6 degrees north. About to hit 9 bounces.
Try.
Wait.
Just sink straight into the water. Just so you guys are ready.
Here we go, Jamie. Let me see the tackle. Let's go. What are you going to do?
Pressure's on now. So it's all about the sweep, right?
Oh, yeah.
So you raise the leg, and then you have to like sweep.
Oh!
It was alright.
That was
Wasn't
good.
great.
That was wicked.
You know I've done a 28 bounce before.
No.
No, that's not right.
Are you ready?
I'm fucking ready. Oh my god.
No pressure. No pressure. A little bit of pressure. That's not bad. That's not bad, you know.
Alright.
That was good.
I just double shoulder.
That was a strong 5, I think.
Here we go, gang.
Here goes nothing.
I'm not known for my skills in
Stone skimming.
stone flinging department, but look at this chonk on this
That's
stone.
it. No excuses with the stone.
Okay.
Alright. So what was your top?
Oh, wait. you.
Hello.
Walk back.
Walk backwards to the river, yeah. No, but looking at me. Trying to direct it, but it's so hard. I'm like, look at me, but walk backwards. Look at me, but walk backwards.
Ow. Ow.
Like this, so you like that.
Ah.
You understand?
Do you think it's really deep here?
Nah.
Where we are now?
Cortina d'Ampezzo.
Okay, this is where we are now. And we are about to walking
I
because
might just rock the shirt all the time. Are you loving it? Ginger blues, yeah.
is it church? No, he's there. So it's a goodbye time
Yeah.
right now.
Bye.
Goodbye, Kaya.
Greatest day ever.
Goodbye, Igabo.
Hit me up
Sick.
when you're in London.
Definitely.
We'll come.
You have
like
to
to go
reply to us.
What you stupid
Yeah, we're going to stay at his house. He's going to put us up.
Always.
Sure.
Couch shirt. Alright, this is me.
Yeah. Oh.
So we're just having our wine right now and bottle of beer.
I know this one. Do you know this one?
Yeah. I
You
think
guys have it in Korea.
Yeah, yeah. So we are in the should we have one more glass of wine?
I'll have a beer, baby. If you're gonna.
Oh yeah, whatever it is.
Are you
I will go for
white or red?
red or whatever. It's okay.
Okay, babe.
Cheers.
Cheers. Please,
So we had to say goodbye with Kaya, and we have so many common interests, which is I decide this is meant to be, and he just sent it to us, such a nice message to Jamie, and actually it's a quite good experience, and yeah, had such a good day. And now having a glass of wine. This is our last of day of Dolomite. Not last day, but yeah, tomorrow we have more to go, and we are heading to Milan tomorrow by train and see what happens. Bye.
Bye.
Really cheap, this room, and in the beer and wine was really cheap. And now they want to give us, and now we can get all this kind of whatever we want on request. I just don't see how they make money.
So what do you want to order? Oh, bread, croissant. This I don't know. It's jam, tea, juice. This croissant, yogurt, scrambled egg.
I don't think this is an English tea, is it?
It's only once in life. Love me while you got. Reaching for you. Tell me how.
We can go today, can we? Today, right? We have passport and everything. So we are here, Lago di Brescia. Still Dolomiti?
Yep. UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Yes, UNESCO.
The Dolomites.
If you come here, why they registered this place in UNESCO? It's such a beautiful place.
I am weightless. Underneath your wind I soar.